I don't know what I had thought. Period.
You stay on my mind. Thinking about you. Thinking about you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed, or tonight, because I'm filming this at 10:58 p.m. because I feel like doing this for school tomorrow or whatever. So tonight I filmed a slick back tutorial for you guys. You know, everybody be asking me how I be doing it or whatever, you know. I know when I see y'all at school with y'all slick backs, I know that y'all learn from the best, okay? Period. Now let me stop playing. But yeah, I filmed this slick back tutorial for you guys tonight, and yeah, let's just hop right into the video.
Okay, y'all, so this video is really self-explanatory, so I won't be doing that much talking, but when I feel like there's a need to explain what I'm doing, I will be coming in. So right here, I'm just going ahead and parting my head. I already pre-parted, I guess you could say, before I got in the shower and ripped my hair. I did not wash my hair. I just wet it in the shower so that it could be easier to work with. And I parted it before I got in the shower so it wouldn't be much work to do. But with me being a perfectionist, it's still going to be a lot of work because I have to get my line as straight as possible with a little bit of a curve, because when I am doing this, I like to curve it so that the front can swoop in front of my face, if you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, now we're just gonna let this music play, and I'll talk to y'all when I feel like I need to talk to y'all. Okay, now I'm moving into brushing my hair. I do brush my hair before I gel it down. I, of course, brush it after I gel it too, but I just go ahead and brush it down just so that I'm not putting the gel. I don't know. I just feel like it doesn't make sense to just put the gel like in my head when it's looking like that. So I'm using a very hard bristle brush. Make sure that whenever you are doing your slick backs, your buns, anything ponytail that you putting your hair up and you want it to be sleek, make sure that the little combs, whatever in the little brush, is really hard. Do not have no soft brush because your hair is not going to get flat. Okay, right here, y'all are probably confused. So basically what I did was just section off the bottom part of my hair, because sometimes it won't get as flat if I don't do this method. So I go ahead and brush that down before I do the whole section. Okay, and quickly, I'm going to just say this. When you brushing your hair, if you want it to go a bit in front of your face, like how I like mine, then brush forward. Do not just brush straight down into the back. Brush your hair to the front of your face and swoop it back. Okay, now moving on to my edges. I use the Got To Be, and I just apply that right on the front, or where you seen me doing it previously in the video, and then I just swoop them. A lot of people say these look like thin waves, but maybe whatever I want on my head is whatever I want on my head.
To the video. I hope that you guys liked it, and I hope that you guys learned a few tips and tricks. Oh, hold up. I left out the biggest tip or trick. Like, hold up, wait a minute. I mean, even though I'm finna go to sleep, like, I'll be putting this on my head because I'm finna go to sleep, but like, this is really a step to the slick back. Like, you gotta, you know, lay it down, but we're gonna keep this on here because I'm finna go to sleep anyway. So you just gonna lay that down so that baby them edges and things can stay intact, okay? Okay. Alright, boom. Now the video done. So when you done doing your bun, you gonna go ahead and lay that down so that, you know, everything can stay smooth and intact. So now you guys can go like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. I love you guys.